can I ask you a question? The audience today would be a lot of teachers.
Yes, there are teachers and parents, and we are live on Facebook. So everybody here is happy. Hello.
Welcome everyone. Now I'm broadcasting as well to the people here.
Yes.
Oh, lovely.
Hello, I'm Amrita Rajpan. I've been teaching for 22 years, but I've been learning my whole life. And that's why I have a company called Edu Learn Grow. I'm a sports nutritionist. I'm an avid traveler, and I'm an active Rotarian. I'm also the territory head for the Early Childhood Association Mumbai. I'm founder Edu Learn Grow and co-founder the ABCD Show.
Hi, I'm Bela Kotwani, also known as Big B. Big for the size of my heart and B for Bela. A fun-loving person with a great sense of humor and a passionate pickleball player. National Core Committee member of Early Childhood Association, founder and principal of Cosmic Kids International, co-founder Puppet Maestros, and co-founder the ABCD Show. The ABCD Show is a show where everything concerned with children is addressed.
We're going to get in eminent experts whose opinions matter. We're going to introduce you to new products. We're going to have theories unfold into practice. We'll discuss mental health and wellness. We'll look at best practices. We'll give you parenting tips, and we'll explore tools and strategies to help you teach
So,
effectively.
if you are a preschool coordinator, parent, teacher, or anyone who has anything to do with children, this show is for you.
So don't forget to like our page to know more about our upcoming events. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being on the ABCD show and viewing our expert for today, Sonia Aurelia. Thank you, Sonia, for joining us over here. And for the ones who don't know Sonia, I'm going to tell you a little bit about her. She's a teacher facilitator who's been working with the pre-primary and primary school segment for the past 27 years. And she's shared her work with more than 30,000 teachers across the country. Wow, that's something. She's experimented with a blend of global and Indian methodologies in classrooms, and she's created a program on activity-based learning called Kino Learn. So it's a system that works with limited budgets and timeframes, diverse curriculums, and learner facilitator groups in both e-enabled as well as traditional classrooms. It helps teachers to create learning resources in a very simple manner. And that's what we're going to explore today. She's also traveled the whole country to create an awareness about the need to change the way the nation treats pre-primary education. And she's had the opportunity to author the first activity-based preschool series for use in schools called My Learning Train in 2013. And it was awarded by IDA in 2014 and again in 2019 for the best product solution for the early years.
Welcome, Sonia aboard.
Welcome.
Yes.
Thank you so much, And Amita, sometimes, when I listen to somebody saying a part of what my journey's been, you suddenly look up at yourself and say, when did this happen, Like a few years back, you were struggling with all the basics, and suddenly, the whole thing just changes.
Life unfolded.
Yeah. And then, like the other day, I was telling somebody, I said, in my brain, I still register my first signature of that attendance register. Rehta tha na, for 5 minutes later, you get half. My brain still registers that. So I don't know how this whole, it's been 30, this is my 30th year. And in the whole of last year and year before that, I actually interacted with six, our senior people that we interact with talk about lakhs. And I remember when I did my first workshop, I had 14 people in it and I had prepared for a month. 1 month of preparation, you know. I mean, I would just, and imagine today I have to tell you all that these two wonderful people have been sending me reminders, which is very rare for me, you know. Today I'm able to sit down in front of you without my heartbeat going up. I'm excited, so my heartbeat is up, but I'm not worried that I will not be able to, you know, do what I want to do for a session. So it just, I think this whole journey of what you do with your life and make everything seems easy. So somebody was telling me कि तुम क्या खेलते रहते हो दिन भर, you know, कभी ये चिपका दिया, कभी ये लगा दिया. So I told him कि तुम 5 मिनट में लगा के दिखाओ मुझे. You know, if your heartbeat doesn't go up, so I always have said this, you know, in my entire growing, when I started even as a class teacher, that I never leave my hand from my heart. Because if my heartbeat is right, I know I'm going the right way. Nothing to worry about. And I think that's how the whole journey's been. And imagine when I started, nobody was talking about activity-based learning. A classroom, attendance in the attendance register, and then you have your date on the right, absent and present on the left, moral of the day in the center. That was what a classroom was, you know. And imagine teaching like that. I mean, I just never found it a nice way to be. I was all of 21 and no money because we never got these fantastic salaries. So when I did this, and all I had in my hand was Mama's bell. Because she was praying really hard. She had told me that before you get married, job karna chahiye tumko. And because I was a student who got no marks, so nobody would want to give me work. And there was, during our times, there was this typing course which we all did. So when I was doing a typing course, I typed out the research paper of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's advisor on activity-based learning. But I learned nothing out of it. I typed and got 50 paisa for every sheet, 50 paisa. But that kind man cyclo-styled the sheets and gave it to me. That was my trigger of my interest in creating low-cost tools. And my one faith was always that even if you don't have enough, हमारे घरों में कहा जाता है, you know, that never say खाना नहीं है. Always say I'll cook up something. So traditionally, India is so beautiful on the Annapurna, you know, way of working. आप कभी भी फुल्का नहीं पूछते किसी से कि जी आप फुल्का खाएंगे. You will kill a little after they are hungry or they're. So that was the base of my growth in my life. That I never ever looked at something and said, I don't have enough. I would look at resources and say, इससे तो हो जाएगा, इससे तो हो जाएगा. It doesn't matter. There is no requirement of something very expensive. And then my first fare is, I went and bought chart paper. That's how my journey began. And when you all talked, and I took those chart papers. There were 6 colors available. पहले इतने खूबसूरत रंग नहीं होते थे. 6 basic color होते थे और light shades होते थे. And even to buy those sheets, you really had to be like, you know. So my 50-60 rupees pay raise got me my sheets, and I walked into this person who cuts paper, and I said, equal काट देना भैया. बचेगा तो side का paper भी दे देना. You know, so when I got when my learning train got its first award, my daughter did a beautiful story. And in that she said, if you have a rupee, she'll spend only 20 paisa out of it. So I never changed that way to be. So this was the size of paper he cut for me, 10 by 10 centimeters. And if I was very adventurous, then it would be a 10 by 20 centimeter. That's it. That was my tool. And there was Fevicol has always been there. Pidilite should be actually giving me something for how much I tried. Yeah, a paper cutter, flat marker, very important, because it writes beautifully. A bundle of ice cream sticks which come out of the bark, so you're not really cutting trees for it. Bark ka banta hai. I have been to factories of ice cream sticks. So that was my toolkit. कभी डमरू हो गया या कभी करताल करताल is very recent. I haven't been earlier using it. And anything that was just within our range was what I started using. Then the thing was, oh, it's going to get so boring, the same thing again and again and again. But in my, this has been my 38th year, and 11 or 12 years back when I was doing a workshop for Loreto Convent in Delhi, uh, OUP was Oxford University Press was doing the meals and the sponsoring the event, and somebody gave me a card and said, "Come to the office." Now a pre-primary teacher with just this 10 card, absolutely. So I walk in with two suitcases, of my resources. I used to use all handmade resources. Today I have everything ready-made with me, they just print it and give it to me. But I can make handmade resources just like that. And I'm not a great sketcher or a great artist. कुछ नहीं, बस सीख लिया चलते चलते. And I remember walking into the office and meeting their head and giving them two puppets and saying, "This is what you can do." And that man patiently moving the puppets and smiling at me and then saying that, it was like a weird kind of behavior in an office for them. And when I came out, I called up my brother and I said, "कोई marketing head है country का." So he said, "तुम क्या करके आए हो वहाँ पर?" So I said, I just showed him how I work. That was my first day, and he smiled and told me, "You have a long journey with us, Sonia." So the journey started like that, 4 5 years of working with lots of their books. And I remember once, I remember meeting an author and asking the author that, "I don't understand this part about your books. Could you explain it to me?" Because I was never taught to have fear to ask. I don't know everything, There's a lot of stuff I look at and I still am in that awe of, my God, I didn't know this, And she looked at me and said, "You don't know this much." And I somehow felt that if I ever reach this side of the table, I am never going to tell somebody, "Why can't you understand it?" I'm going to make myself capable enough so that I can make you understand it. Otherwise, what's the whole purpose of what I am, right? So I remember मैं क्लास के बाहर मेरी पूरी आधी जिंदगी क्लास के बाहर रही है. I have hated being in the classrooms. I've hated the way I've been taught. And I remember my, geography teacher or English teacher in my graduation telling me, "Why do you sit with this expression in my class?" And my brain would say, "Why don't you understand why I sit with this expression?" What makes me sit like this and give carbon sheets to people and say, "Make notes," and I'm leaving the classroom. So application is what I learned. The first lesson I learned from somebody uh, who I looked up to said, "Never walk in and tell a child, तुमको समझ में क्यों नहीं आ रहा." Walk out, give yourself one and say, "तुमको समझाना क्यों नहीं आ रहा?" Why are you not able to make this child understand a basic? For that child, it's confusing, right? So that's what I did, Amrita and Bela. I started my life with children who would be like me, children who would not get marks, children who only had skills of the hand. My mother used to say, "हुनर होना चाहिए बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, marks नहीं होते तो कोई बात नहीं. हाथ का हुनर, do the best with your skills of your hand." And that's what I did. जो हाथ का हुनर था, whoever thought a 10 by centimeter card would travel, it would do 6 to 700 activities, it would become a process in so many schools. And I will show you what I didn't plan to show this to you, but I'll show it to you now that I'm in my room. And this is my bundle of books.
Wow.
Can you imagine 10 by 10 centimeter card taking this journey?
Wow.
All the firsts.
Super.
The first activity-based series, the first Atlas for Little Learners, the first activity-based Hindi folk with folk tools. It's the first of everything, and it began.
Like this.
So,
Sonia, can you give us a little demo how you use this card if you don't mind?
yes, I will. So I have done a wall for y'all and kept it ready. And I have done another wall over there. So what I'm going to do is y'all will have to bear with a preschool teacher. I told you, my brain doesn't register author and all that. My brain only registers classroom. Because that's what, and if somebody asks me, do you love children? Yeah, I mean, kids are special, but I love teachers. My
The
fondness,
audience here is now lucky. They're going to get a lot of techniques to learn.
because children are yours, you will take care of them. And I would hate somebody walking into my class and say, do it like this. Big deal. I don't want to do it like this. So everything that I bring to you would be a tool which I have used successfully. You could modify it, you could change it, you could. So, my whole process of life of what I did is called my learning train, because there is a beautiful song in Telugu that says Chuk Chuk Rail Ostundi Pakkana Pakkana Jalgandi Agenaka Ekkandi Jo Paapre Edu Adu. So this is a song that says Chuk Chuk Rail is coming. When it stops, you get onto the train, and baby, please don't cry. I'll give you a laddu to eat. And this was because I never got a job in a good school. So I got a job in a little school in Hyderabad. And this little boy came and sang this song to me. Every day we would sing this song. One day we would make it the color train. One day we would make it the story train. One day we would make it the attendance train. One day we would make it the girl boy train. One day we would make it I used to put, the route numbers and say, whoever's got their name, put it and check your routes. So I had a dynamic train in my class. So मेरी ट्रेन रोज दोपहर को खाली हो जाती थी और रोज सुबह किसी नई चीज से भर जाती थी.
Wow.
तो मैंने कभी भी पिन नहीं किया अपने क्लासेस को. आई सेड मुझे किसी चीज को स्थिर रखना ही नहीं है. आई वांट डायनामिक क्लासरूम्स. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर मैं पंजाब जाती हूँ तो बस पीवीसी पाइप्स काट के रस्सी के साथ हम थ्रेडिंग कर लेते हैं ऑफ बीड्स. हम कहीं पे ईस्ट जाते हैं तो बैम्बू काट लेते हैं. सो इट डजंट वरी मी कि आप रिसोर्स क्या यूज कर रहे हैं. आपका कॉन्सेप्ट आना चाहिए बच्चे को. दैट्स द बॉटम लाइन. What resource you use, and what happened in about last 5-6 years here, that's been my observation is, it's been a time of plenty. Bade businesses, bade business houses, bade schools, ACs, investments. तो कहीं पे हम छोटी चीजें भूल गए थे. I remember we have this. I walked into a workshop a few months back, and somebody said we have a whole toolkit for large muscle development. I said, really? बच्चों को बाहर ले जाओ, भागने दो यार, मसल डेवलप हो जाएंगे उनके. पूरा ये इंटरनल एसी जिम क्यों क्रिएट करना है तुमको? थोड़ा पसीना आने दीजिए, थोड़ा मिट्टी में गिरने दीजिए बच्चे को. तब बच्चा, I mean, that's how we talk about resilience, we talk about some 21st century skills, but बच्चे को गिरने तो देते नहीं, हम पसीना आने नहीं देते. So how is all this going to happen? Even that is going to be curated now.
True. Sometimes it's just okay to give your child some cardboard boxes and tell them to jump in and out.
Just give them a cardboard box and don't tell them anything.
Don't tell them anything.
Tell them to do anything. True.
Use their own imagination.
Use your own imagination, and the gross motor development will happen by itself.
So where is that going to happen? Because today you curate every single thing for the child. So what I had started doing was, I said, let me do things which are simple. And what happened was my books, the My Learning Train series grew in the last 7 years. Now, because it's an Oxford University Press publication and the workshops were in plenty, everybody would say, is this the resource only that you have? I would say, yes, this is all that we have. Of course, digitally they have a lot of stuff, but that's something which a technical team puts. I just support them with the stories or whatever. And I would just say, हाँ जी. And then OUP used to tell me कि मैडम ये 10 रुपए का फेविकॉल का डब्बा है, उसके ढक्कन के लिए भी आप वर्कशॉप में लड़के आ जाते हो. I do 10 groups. When I train, it's 10 groups. You can be 20 people in a group, you can be 50 people in a group, but I will only use 10 groups because a normal classroom is difficult to do more than 10 groups. अगर आपका average 40 का, even though ideally we say 20-25 children, but that's not being what I see. So what I tell them, you divide your head into 10. So your activities come out really beautifully because you're organizing it only for 10 children. So that's the first skill of managing low-cost resources. Keep your structures very, very beautiful. Don't change your structures very often. Change the activity very often. बच्चा कैसे बैठेगा? So don't waste your time with all of that. So create a structure and allow children to get that Pavlov's, stimulus and response. Don't waste time with all of that. Have certain standard and then get your children to work. Where should your display be? At the level of the children. आपका display 5 फुट ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए. Will children spoil it if you don't let them take care of it? They'll spoil the country tomorrow. तो बच्चों को बचपन से ही responsible बनाइए ताकि see I have been doing this since 30 years. I have never had a damage. The only damage I pay is 100 rupees per year for pasting on the wall. You get pulled up for very fancy, but हमें 100 रुपए पर साल फाइन देना पड़ता था. But they would know that she will again taste a train at the level of the children. गाड़ी बढ़ती गई. बेला आप कह रहे थे कि वो how do you start? तो मेरी गाड़ी पहले 10 बोगीज की होती थी, फिर 10-20 की हुई, फिर 26 की हुई, फिर एक टाइम आता था कि मेरे क्लास में 100 बोगी लगी होती थी.
Wow.
So that my child does the 1 to 100. आपको वर्णमाला करना है, आपको राइम्स करने हैं, आपको अल्फाबेट फ्रीज करना है, आपको मिसिंग नंबर्स करना है, आपको सीक्वेंसिंग करनी है, आपको स्टोरी सीक्वेंसिंग करनी है. It takes care of everything. That is why when I said that I would have to mention my books because that's the strength of what I've created, right? So before I do a story, मैं कुछ कहानियां करूंगी आप सबके साथ. मैं कुछ let me see what we'll do today. Anna?
Looking forward to it. Come on, let's hear you, Sonia.
So let me take this off first, है ना? तो आप जरा पैनल को हटाते हैं और आपको एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सी सीनरी रेडी करी है, मैंने वो दिखाते हैं, है ना?
You have a set in your house, like how they have these movies, you have one layer over there, then change the scene when you remove it.
Okay, so creating resources, what we were talking about, इसमें से कुछ भी resource is not more than A4 size paper. Nothing. The trees are all, see the size? 10 by 20. All right? And all the top of the trees are all 10 by 10.
Oh, very interesting.
Everything has a pocket. So at the end of the day, my boards can be absolutely blank. My child has to have to wonder, what is she going to put tomorrow? So don't make things dynamic, make things which are simple to do and what every teacher and every school can afford.
Yes.
That's been my strength of My Learning Train, that it's gone into villages, it's gone into little districts, it's gone into very, 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 very small towns. but it works everywhere. So I'll start with a small little demonstration of what you can do with a 10 by 10. All right. So if you fold it 4 times, okay, it makes a 1.5 centimeter block. Now when you open it and you tear it, you have 16 small counters with you. So all your placing, your bingo, your everything can be done with something as small as this. All right, Bella is this puppeteer, huh? She does these beautiful puppets, but I still dare to do these little things in front of her. So this is that for 5 by 5 centimeter. Okay, if I do a story, now while I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to do a story. All right, so once upon a time, there was a duckling and a chick. So the chick would always copy the duckling and say, me too, me too, me too. Now the duckling used to get quite fed up sometimes. And she went off for a walk. She got so fed up, she just went off for a walk. And the chick also said, I'm also coming, me too. And she went for a walk. So the duckling ducked down and sat down, and the chick said, me too, and sat down. Then the duckling went to sleep. The chick also said, me too, and went to sleep. Now this chick is not leaving the duckling, okay? Your chick is ready.
Oh, wow.
Right?
That was superb.
3 chicks and 4 chicks. Now how much did this do? It's a 10 by 10 centimeter card, uske 4. Okay, and then the duckling jumped into the water. And now the chick doesn't think, she just jumps into the water and she starts to drown. Now the duckling gets fed up. She says, thank God this chick is going to drown. But then she's got so used to the chick and she's very fond of her. So she jumps in and says, okay, I'll get you out. Brings her out and then says, next time don't copy me. And the chick says, me too, but I'll always copy you. And your ducklings are ready. Now if I have a class of 40 children, I need puppets for each one of them. What am I going to do? However rich I am, can I afford it? So who will finally have the puppets in their hand, Bella?
Very few kids, if at all.
Mainly who will have the puppets?
Mainly the teacher.
Yeah.
So who's having all the fun?
The teacher. And the kids are enjoying watching as well.
Yeah, but whose hands are supposed to be coordinated, moving up and down? Who all is
The children.
Children should do it.
Who takes the main fun of everything? Whose muscle development is happening?
The teacher.
So that is what you need to change about our classrooms. Not that we don't have enough resources. We just cannot afford such big amount of resources. Now my puppets have gone off on sticks. It's an English story that we did. I want to convert this to, my children have grown up now. I want to do verbs out of it. This was a story in my nursery and I want to do verbs out of it. What will I do? I'll simply take a 10 by 10 card and I will write the verbs on it. I will flash it and say, now do the action that this little duck is saying. Have I changed the whole way of this way of viewing the story?
Yes.
Yes, totally.
I want to teach them sequencing. Ab maths ka class hai now. I don't have time to make resources. Today, you know, now I was not ready for the workshop. Then you told me. Then I thought.
What I like is you're just making the resources right now near us, and it isn't even taking you 5 minutes to make this.
Yeah, because that's, you know, we have complicated education to another level. Sadgi si zindagi hai, it is very simple. You want to do sequencing, you want to do jumping, you want to do a science activity. It can be done so simply. The thing is that today, you see, like I said, it was a generation of plenty. जब आपके पास plenty होता है तो आपको खूबसूरत चीजें भी चाहिए, and why not, you know? But today, see how the cycle has turned again. Again, we are going to go back to schools where our funds are not going to be enough. The crazy amount of paper we threw away is not going to be enough. So this backdrop I have used at least 20 times, right? And I'm not awkward about it because I can just change it. Like the other day, I did these. I did a lesson on the atlas for little learners, and I needed to show them homes. So I just happily built it on this only, and I told them, okay, we'll do buildings over here now. Tomorrow I'll take this off and I will use it for something else. Now I'm using the same resource, Bella, for sequencing, right? So I want the children to learn chick and a duck. So what's the next one coming?
The chick.
Chick.
Now I want to change it. I want to do chick, chick, duck, duck.
So cute. Very nice.
Done?
Chick, chick, duck, duck, chick, chick, duck, duck.
And then I want to do duck, duck, chick, chick.
Correct.
Then I want to do duck, duck, chick, duck, duck, chick.
Correct.
But I have 40 of these.
I love the patterns you are creating.
I want to do addition now. Char chick, teen duck.
Very
Char
nice.
chick, now मुझे 3 दे दो. एक subtraction कर लिया. One resource. But the child will not recognize it the second time in the sense that, oh, मैं bore हो गया.
Yeah.
True. You're using it with multiple ways. That's nice.
And you're giving it a different context.
A different context. And then फिर मेरा काम खत्म होता है. I don't leave it here. I give it off to my B section कि भाई अब तुम use कर लो. तुम्हारी वाली story मुझे दे दो.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yes.
Sharing of resources. Very good.
So, and two very important things. If a Sonia does not know how to cut the ducks and chicks well, she may just receive elephants and ants beautifully cut by a Sushma.
True.
And my children will be exposed to one Tera Mera duck and chick and a very beautiful elephant.
So cute.
Because it needs, when you talk about collaboration, today you go to schools and you see the kind of crazy competition on the backdrops.
Yeah.
Really? किस लिए बनाते हैं हम backdrop? And if there are 4 sections, I to tell everybody same backdrop बनाओ. 4 दफा घास काटो, 4 दफा sky काटो, and your job is done. And all teachers do it together. So that तुम्हारा टेढ़ा मेरा cloud और मेरा beautiful butterfly दोनों एक साथ चले. बच्चा expose हो और किसी टीचर में कंपटीशन ना हो. Is your तुम्हारी साड़ी मेरे साड़ी से सफेद कैसी, हम दोनों की ऐसी है. चारों में लगे.
Well put.
All the subject, all the sections, because children don't go to each other's classes, right?
True.
And imagine the amount of resources we save, Abhi, if I cut that blue patch on top, it takes a quarter sheet. What am I going to do with the 3/4? I dump it. So when I travel, I ask how many of you check the dustbins in classrooms. It seems very mundane, but this is a country that can't afford wastage. And that is why low-cost resources, reusable resources, use them in 20 different ways. I have this material which I have, it's a laminated set of pockets. All right? It's laminated and they're just pockets. It's as old as my series. It's 7 years old.
Wow.
I've done 500 to 600 workshops. It goes with me everywhere. It's got strips of cloth, nice thick cloth. I just hang it, I bring it back. When I turn it over, it becomes my phonic wall.
Wow.
Oh, very nice.
When I bring it here, it becomes I can do a Hindi Varnmala in it. Who stops me? I can do a story in it. Nobody stops me. So when I did my learning train, I think this was the base of what I worked. Whatever content is there in the book, the teachers will do it. Right? If I say match the following, we match the following kar lenge. If I say missing numbers, but how do you apply it? So today, do you realize if everybody had learned this, how easy your online classes would have been when you started learning? तो आप बहुत आराम से सब कुछ अपने walls पे कर लेते, आपके बच्चे देख लेते. And like for example, if I want to do a sequencing, I just tell the parent कि आप 2 color के कोई भी pieces बच्चों को दे दीजिए. and I'll start doing the sequencing on the train. My child follows it, right? So that's the reason I use pockets so as a part of my whole processing. That's what I do with the pockets.
You know what I'm really loving about your program is it's not only that you're using your resources so wisely, but also there is not so much effort which is going into it. Otherwise teachers spend so much time and energy making all this beautiful, all these beautiful resources, these backdrops, these puppet theaters. Everything takes so much time and energy that you don't have so much to give the child. Because so much has already been used up in this.
Yes. So when you sit, children, if you're a preschool teacher and you've been a preschool teacher for many years, दो तीन चीजें होती है आपकी जिंदगी में. एक नेल आर्ट कभी टिकता नहीं है हाथ पर, बिकॉज फेविकॉल ले जाता है उसको. दूसरा, आपका जो कुर्ता का बॉटम होता है कभी साफ नहीं होता क्योंकि बच्चा उसको पकड़ता है. और आपका कोई दुपट्टा बिना दाग के नहीं होता बिकॉज वो आपको सारा टाइम पकड़ के घूमता रहता है. ये 3 रिसोर्सेज, आपका हाथ का टच, आपका दुपट्टे का कोना और आपके सूट का कोना, ये बच्चा का सोशल इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट का ध्यान रख लेता है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी.
वेरी वेल सेड.
तो मुझे और किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं होती. स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक मूड्स एंड फीलिंग्स. आप बच्चों के बारे में बात करते हैं, आप थॉट बात करते हैं, बट आपका टच अगर खराब हो जाए तो आप 10 moods and feelings करा दीजिए. How does it feel? You can't handle your own moods and feelings, and then you so I mean my deal is this: just keep it simple. Also, अमृता, जब आप कहती हैं कि बहुत सादगी से आप काम करती हैं, सादगी से काम करने के लिए प्रैक्टिस बहुत चाहिए होती है. आप जितना सादगी, जितना आप एफर्टलेस काम करते हैं, इट शोज years of practice. तभी आप इतने एफर्टलेसली काम कर पाते हैं, नहीं तो आप नहीं कर पाते. पीपल टेल मी, जी कौन सा कोर्स करा आपने? आई टेल देम कि 1 सदी का 1/4 हिस्से से ज्यादा मैंने अपनी जिंदगी का इस कागज को दिया है, 10 by 10 को. When you give such a big part of your life to this, you automatically become good at it, right?
Yeah, so, practice that makes perfect.
So you need to keep it simple and you need to practice a lot. You need to learn with your head down each time. When I do a lot of sessions also, Meera and you all of course are leading such a huge organization. I've just got to know all of you just about a year and a half back. The cup is full when I interact with a lot of people. आप अपने चाय के प्याला को भर के नहीं ले जा सकते. You have to keep it half empty. तब जाके flavors आप absorb करते हैं. It's very important. And also there is no one way to do it. I can't say this is the only way to do it. This is my way to do it.
Right.
I have found it successful. So it works beautifully. मैंने कहा था कि मैं आपके लिए A और B, तो मैंने tracing cards बनाए थे आपके लिए. मैंने A, B, C, D नहीं बना पाई, लेकिन A और B.
How
So
sweet.
cute.
How sweet. So lovely.
अगर बच्चों को tracing करानी है, as small as this, so I have an alligator. The alligator is going to find the bear, and they are going to find the cuddly, happy, creative, beautiful people we see in front of us. And we can draw everything that we see. So we can draw an alligator, we can draw
A bear.
and we can draw the cuddliest people that we see. So one more
That's me.
Yeah. So just to keep the fact that any resource you create must be available to children to take. So when you want to do tracing activities in your classrooms, kindly create your cards, put your sticks on it, and place it in a train or a pocket area close to your child. After you do the the air tracing, etc., allow them to take the resources and sit down and trace them. Because the children are at home, तो सूजी बोल दीजिए मम्मा को, हलवा भी बना दीजिए, थोड़ा सा सूजी इस्तेमाल कर लीजिए ट्रेसिंग के लिए. तो सूजी के साथ ये होगा कि मुंह में जाएगा भी, तो it's not harmful. And glitter is not a good thing to use for finger tracing. क्योंकि glitter is harmful, it's not got the correct proportions. So whenever you're doing tracing, if you can't go out and buy sandpaper, सूजी का हलवा और सूजी के लेटर्स, बहुत खूबसूरत, वेरी वेरी लो कॉस्ट, वेरी इजी टू मेक, छोटी छोटी बॉटलें, यू नो आई सी आजकल लॉट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक गोइंग ऑन, है ना, तो मैंने यहाँ खूब सारी बॉटल्स रखी है, फिर मैं निकाल के लाती हूँ, हाँ, आई जस्ट
Sharing all the resources.
I love that she's using things from home, just
Right.
picking things out of everywhere.
there my bottles are here, है ना, तो मेरी होम्योपैथिक की बहुत सारी बॉटल्स, उसमें दाल डाल दीजिए, अलग अलग टाइप की दालें डाल दीजिए, तो आपके साउंड बॉक्सेस बन
Yeah,
जाते
you
हैं,
make a sound box.
Very nice.
How
है
interesting.
ना, ये इसलिए खूबसूरत है क्योंकि बच्चों के हाथ में बड़ा अच्छा फिट आता है.
And you can give all the 40 kids also.
Yeah.
That's nice.
हाँ, सीता जी आप मेरा, अच्छा ठीक है, सो फन, सो सीता जी वो बॉटल्स बिस्लरी की छोटी, सो आई जस्ट फील एनी रिसोर्स यू क्रिएट, डोंट बाय expensive resources, collect things, and you know today especially with the new education policy, inclusion एक बहुत important चीज होने वाली है.
Right.
Which can't overdue. ये already हो रहा था, but you know it was happening in phases. Now it's going to happen in plenty.
Yes.
So if you don't use resources, for example, बहुत सुंदर सा घर है, you know, you when you have your guests, you sit in the drawing room. When you're eating your food, where do you sit?
On the dining table.
When you sleep?
Right.
On your bed. In
In
your
the
bed.
bedroom. अब मेरे पास एक कमरे का घर है और मैं आपके क्लास में बैठी हुई हूँ, मैं क्या, आप क्या करोगे?
You can make areas.
No, but
क्योंकि हमारे घर में मम्मी के पास टाइम नहीं है एरिया करने का, तो आप मुझे अपना घर कैसा बोलोगे कि अब मेरा घर कैसा है?
tell us what you would do.
You know, so you're stuck, no?
Yes.
So I remember when we were doing a page of a girl and a boy in my EDS book a few years back. I told them that we have to be ready because there will be life beyond this. And people told me नहीं इसके बारे में कौन बात करता है, लेकिन आप कर रहे हैं ना, inclusion हो गया ना हमारा. So these things are going to happen. They're bound to happen. तो हम कहते हैं, I have this little you know, atlas which I have. Now as an atlas for a little child is a little too much, right? So
Yes.
I have a part which says my home, you know. So when I ask these people to do my home and neighborhood in an atlas, the OUP atlas team was very upset with me. They said that, no, what's wrong? I mean, we do technically correct atlases. I said, जी 6 साल के बच्चे को technical correct atlas नहीं समझ में आता है. He's not bothered about the boundaries of the world. उसको पहले घर के दायरे बताओ.
Yeah, he needs to know.
A magic house into this. We said that, you know, if you're going to eat a food sitting on the floor, it's your dining table. When mommy picks up the plates and puts it for wash and puts your gadda there, it's your bedroom. When somebody comes, you put little stools, it becomes your drawing room. So you have the best magic home in the house. Beautiful, sir. है ना? साथ में हमने पोएम कहा कि अगर पेड़ भी चलते होते, पेड़ों पे हमारे घर होते. चिड़िया देखो आकर मेरे कांधे पर बैठती, बंदर भी खूब मुस्कुराता, है ना? फिर अगर पेड़ पे हमारे घर होते तो पेड़ को ही हम साथ ले जाते, पेड़ क्या पता चलते होते. अगर कि आप बताएं एक और जगह पे आपका घर होता, अगर पहाड़ पर आपके घर होता तो आप क्या करती? तो कौन रहता आपके साथ? सो अ ट्यून. अगर समुद्र में हमारे घर होते तो मछली के साथ, यू नो, हम उठते, खाते, पीते, सोते. सो अब एक और इमेजिनेशन करिए.
Beautiful, really nice. This is
Last
getting
one,
for a child to understand all the different spaces in the world.
Yeah. So my deal is, it's all about creating the feel of what you want to do with the children.
Very nice.
In plenty, ऐसे फेंकते रहते हैं हम उनको,
Yes.
है ना? मतलब जब देखो, एंड आई वाज सेइंग कि अब जितने आपके कॉन्फ्रेंसेस होते हैं ना, एक वहां पे डिस्पोजेबल वाटर कूलर लगाइए और सबको बोलिए अपना अपना प्लीज बॉटल लेकर आइए, हम
bottle.
नहीं करेंगे।
In fact, ECA we decided that only now.
Yes.
थोड़ी जहमत करिए, उठिए फ्रॉम योर प्लेस, थोड़ा मूवमेंट होगा, जाइए अपनी पानी की बॉटल भर के लाइए, and we're not going to supply it to you. Imagine what we save for the world. So what's the point of an EVS book where I put bottles for panelists on the table? Why?
Right.
हम लोग टीचर्स हैं ना पूरे बेला, हमारे बैग में बॉटल, सीजर,
सब
फेविकॉल,
होता है.
Yeah.
सेलो टेप, पिन, बैंड,
Yes.
है ना? So I think as processes we need to start setting it right.
Right.
कि कितनी सादगी से हम पोर्ट्रेल करते हैं हमारा डिस्पोजेबल। अब जैसे पेपर नैपकिन, आई हैव स्टॉप्ड ऑफरिंग पेपर नैपकिन इन माय हाउस। मेरे घर आप आइए तो आपका हाथ गंदा हो जाता है तो उठ के धो लीजिए, मैं
Washroom में जाइए.
यू नो नहीं तो बहुत जैसे मम्मा के जैसे ऐसे पल्ला नैपकिन दे देगा, टाल दे दे, you know, because unless we go to consciously reduce all this,
Right.
and Bella, for me paper napkins were the most important thing on my dining table.
No, it's
learning,
time we
yeah.
change our life and ourselves and set the example for the children.
तो आई थिंक जब ये कोविड हुआ तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि सादगी, जो भी सादगी से रहते थे, जिनको कोई रिक्वायरमेंट्स बहुत नहीं थी, उनको कोई तकलीफ नहीं हुई, you know, but the people who were used to so much there's trauma in their lives. You know, I was asking somebody, बेटा ये तुम खुश क्यों रहता है? इसका मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट बड़ी ये कमरा है बस, मतलब कोई ज्यादा है नहीं, आप जैसे खूबसूरत लोगों को मिल लेती हूँ बैठे बैठे ऊपर, मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है, you know. And 7 years back I remember when my learning train came out and we did the digital support, somebody told me, do you think we should go digital? I said, अभी तक think ही कर रहे हो आप, we've gone digital. मतलब ये think is not the solution. The children in the coming generation will be digital. अब आप उनको कितना balance करके रखते हो, that is totally up to all of us as adults,
Yeah.
right? That it's as simple as that. It's how much of balance you create and how much of, so you open and you close. Small muscle development हो गया, pincer grip हो गई, और दफा कराएंगे. I open it, I give it to you and say, okay, close it. You pass it on and say, open it. You pass it on and say, close it. So हमारा group activity
Wow.
as simple as
Very
that.
nice.
तो मैंने पानी इसमें भर दिया, suppose I'm drinking water and I say, कहते हैं चलो मेरी pouring activity हो गई. I stop, I just fill. Everybody has to fill it, and I stop. I got half a bottle. है ना? तो मैंने half का bottle को पकड़ा और से ऊपर.
Every time you say stop, you're teaching them self-regulation also. You know, when to stop, when to start.
Yeah. So let's fill some more water in it. Okay, let's make it full. अब पकड़ो. Heavy हो रहा है क्या? आपका friend
Light
का?
and heavy concept.
You have done heavy and light. What did it
Light.
take you?
Even half full and empty. That concept is also can be
Full, empty, pouring, open,
pouring.
Yes.
comparison, full and empty and heavy and light की कौन सी वर्कशीट देते हैं आप बच्चों को? एक
Not
क्रेजी
required also.
वर्कशीट में नहीं है, जिसको मांगो वर्कशीट दे दो. इन सब चीजों के लिए वर्कशीट है. And after you do this, give them this beautiful 10 by 10, 10 by 20 card saying heavy, light, open, close, full, half, empty. Reading करा दिया आपने?
Yeah.
Right.
So all
That's better.
concept have become your reading concept. So once I'm also going to tell you the use of the, I don't know how much time I have.
Yeah.
You continue because I think everyone's just loving it.
I haven't seen, I'm sorry, I haven't seen any of the comment section. मैंने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. I get like,
But the comment sections are only saying they are loving it. So
Continue. If anybody has any question answers, please write in the question answer place, the box.
and I have to tell you a story. I'm going to try a new story today. I've never done this before, but आज मैं सोचूं कोशिश करती हूँ.
we want to see that resource which you had from 30 years earlier also.
Yeah, okay, let's start with that. वो करते हैं पहले.
Yeah.
So, all right. So, This is what we call traditionally. I'm also, मैं दोनों भाषाएं बोलती हूँ. मैं तेलुगु भी बोलती हूँ और मैं हिंदी बहुत बोलती हूँ. तो कई दफा OUP को कंप्लेंट जाती थी कि और author came and she speaks only in Hindi. So I told them कि अब मुझे हिंदी की किताबें लिखनी है because अब फिर मैं हिंदी बोल पाऊंगी. I can't go to an MP or a Patna or something and unnerve people. It's not that you can't speak the correct language, but there is no reason to be stuck. And this three language thing that is happening in the MEP is not because you have to teach that language. It's because you have to use the language. And
Yes.
you're misinterpreting it so completely because I was talking to a few people. In fact, I'm trying to speak to the people who are doing the policy, and I was telling them कि आपको लगता है कि हमें ये मात्राएं हिंदी में भी, तमिल में भी, कन्नड़ा में भी, मराठी में भी सब कुछ कराना एक साथ. So they said, no, only communication. I said, why don't you communicate that in your
Yeah. But it's true. You can't be in a language, you can't be in one city or living in a family and be in isolation. You need to actually bridge the gap between your school and your house and your community. So, that language has to have the common thread.
Yeah. The only thing, Alka, that what we recommend is that don't mix the language. आप जो भाषा में बोल रहे हैं उस भाषा को शुद्ध बोलिए. आप कन्नड़ा में बोल रहे हैं तो आप शुद्ध कन्नड़ा बोलिए. आप मलयालम बोल रहे हैं शुद्ध मलयालम बोलिए. उसके बाद आप इंग्लिश की एक्टिविटी कर दीजिए. The child has understood the concept. आपके घर में 3-4 अगर फैमिली के मेंबर्स हो, एक अपने घर में हिंदी बोलती है, दादी पंजाबी बोलती है, पापा इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, तो वो बच्चा ऑटोमेटिकली पलट के तीनों लैंग्वेजेस तीनों के साथ बोलेगा.
Child is very smart.
The person, the person will happily do that very very completely. तो ये एक बड़ा खूबसूरत रिसोर्स है. इसको हिंदी में टिपिकली पन्नी कहते हैं, कागज की पन्नी, पैकेट. की दुकान पे मिलता है. और ये जिसने मुझे ये एक्टिविटी दिखाई, उसने कहा मैडम हम पन्नी के साथ काम करते हैं. सो इट्स अ ब्राउन पेपर पैकेट, दैट्स इट. एंड आई लुक्ड एट हर एंड आई सेड आप क्या करते हैं इसके साथ? शी सेड मैडम हम मात्राएं सिखाते हैं. अच्छा. तो शी सेड अच्छा चलिए मैं आपको एक मात्रा सिखा के आपको कोशिश करती हूँ. तो आई वंडर्ड हाउ मच कैन शी डू विद दिस. तो उसने उल्लू से शुरू करा और हम सबको एक एक वर्णमाला का एक एक अक्षर दे दिया. जैसे मैं सोनिया हूँ तो मेरा अक्षर था, स था. बेला का ब था. अमृता का नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि अमृता का ऑलरेडी अ है. तो जिन के नाम स्वर से शुरू हुए उनको अक्षर ही नहीं मिला. सो ऑटोमेटिकली उसने सिखा दिया कि मात्रा उस पर लग नहीं सकती, है ना. तो आती हुई उड़ती आई, कहा कि एक दफा एक उल्लू आया, उड़ता उड़ता गया और वो सोता ही नहीं था, उ उ उ उ बोलता था. फिर एक दिन आके सोनिया के कंधे पर बैठ गया. अब सोनिया के हाथ में क्या था? स. वो जुड़ गया स के साथ. अब क्या बन गया? तो सोनिया क्या बना? तो आई सेड सू. फिर वो उड़ते 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 गया और बेला के कंधे पे बैठ गया. तो क्या बन गया?
How nice.
अब उसका दोस्त आया ऊंट. उसने कहा तुम तो दिन रात को जागते हो, मैं तो रात को दिन भर काम करके आया हूँ, इतनी दूर मैं चल चल के आया हूँ और मेरी अब टांगे बड़ी दुख रही हैं. तो उसने कहा ऊ ऊ ऊ और मैं तो उल्लू ने कहा मैं तो जागूंगा. ऊंट ने कहा मैं बहुत दुख रहा है. तो वो चलते 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 फिर वो सोनिया के कंधे पर आकर खड़ा हो गया. उसने ऐसे अपना कैसे किया तो क्या बन गया? और बेला के पास जाएगा तो बेला बन जाएगा. तो आपको मात्रा सिखा दी. चलते चलते मजे की कहानी. अब आप कल मात्राएं सिखते हैं बच्चों को, तो बच्चों को दो मात्राओं में फर्क एकदम से पता चलता है. उसने यूज क्या किया, कोई मतलब इट्स अ टूल
Very nice.
just there, right? Anybody can afford it. So my deal is, somebody was asking me when my books came out, that was very interesting. Somebody said we have a very fancy school. So, and we have some international school, and we have one state board school. So I said, okay. Then she said, we need 2 series of my learning train. I said, क्यों? मतलब 2 series क्यों चाहिए? She said, अब international school में जो किताबें हैं, हम बोर्ड स्कूल में कैसे लगा सकते हैं? Really? I said,
differentiate.
I'm telling you real incidents. These are not.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. So I told her कि एजुकेशन में कैसे फर्क कर सकते हैं आप एसी में फर्क कर सकते हैं, फ्लोरिंग में फर्क कर सकते हैं, फर्नीचर में फर्क कर सकते हैं, यूनिफॉर्म में फर्क कर सकते हैं, लेकिन किताबों में तो फर्क नहीं होना चाहिए. So she said that I'll drop you books next year. I said do it this year. अगले साल तक मत इंतजार करिए, इस साल हटा दीजिए आप. Because education is not about these kind of choices. It's about what you believe. एक छोटा सा टूल है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. I use 5 by 5 centimeter cards for all my table exercises. You know, like I'll just show you. So what we do is we have it, every tool that we recommend, we put it into the book so that the teacher just does not get lost. Now in this, there is a 1 centimeter strip on top and 1 centimeter strip at the bottom. Okay? अब कुछ साल पहले it was very interesting. जब हम फ्लैश कार्ड्स फाड़ रहे थे, तो एक छोटा सा बच्चा आया और वो स्ट्रिप्स लेकर भाग गया. So the mother gave that kid a pull and said, "What are you doing?" Like, I'll tell you what the child did. I'll just show you. उसने ये स्ट्रिप ली, अब एंड इसमें परफोरेशंस है क्योंकि वो कार्ड्स परफोरेटेड है. उसने उसको फाड़ा और कहा मम्मी लॉन्ग अब शॉर्ट बन गया. एंड आई रियलाइज वी वर थ्रोइंग दैट 1 centimeter स्ट्रिप अवे. उसको रेकमेंड करते बेला. अब हमने उसको अपना थॉट बना के अब हमने नीचे अपने PRP जो हमारे टीचर रिसोर्सेज है उसमें लिखा है द टॉप 1 centimeter and bottom centimeter will tear into 4-5 centimeter by 1 centimeter cards which you can use for counting.
Wow. Very nice.
2-year-old child actually made us realize कि हम एक कोना भी नहीं वेस्ट करते एक रिसोर्स का. If there is a 4 millimeter strip on the side, वो 4 millimeter strip को काट के हम छोटे बच्चों को दे देते. स्टैंडिंग एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन चिपकाता है. थोड़ा बड़ा बच्चा अपर केस बना देता है और UKG का बच्चा उसको अपने क्रिएटिवली यूज कर लेता है. So resources are not it's not how much, but it's how you use them. I think that's what is important.
Very true.
So आपका that's the little puppet that I thought. आपको मैं एक चीज और दिखाना चाहती हूँ. You were talking about the puppet theater. बेला एक कहानी कर दो ना तब तक.
No, Sonia, we've got specific instructions that we're not supposed to open our mouths because we were talking to some of the people who are going to attend and they said we want to hear only Sonia. So
मैं अभी ना थोड़ा इसको एक दफा और बोलना. मैं अपने हस्बैंड को बुला के पीछे खड़ा करती हूँ.
No, he's sure to be proud of you. We have 1 or 2 questions also, so we want you to answer that.
By the time you ask me the question, I just ignore me when I'm moving here and there.
Don't worry. Yeah. So the question is that Asha Sharma has joined a little late and she's missed the part for the purpose that you can use suji ka halwa. So can you please repeat that bit?
Suji ka
Those who have missed can even go to our Facebook page and watch later on. So that's not an issue at all.
But right now,
You
Sonia.
can just tell, yeah.
bottom line is कि सूजी का हलवा दिल के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ना. I think सूजी का हलवा जब बनता है तो इंडिया की महक आती है. So if I say suji, of course for you seriously, it was for the tracing of the letters so that the child's, and always dip the finger in warm water before the children wipe it because it makes the thing sensitive. But सूजी का हलवा जब आप बनाते हैं तो याद रखिए कि भारत की महक है ये. ये हर घर में बनना चाहिए, बच्चों को खिलाइए। आई वाज यू नो सूजी के हलवे से आप एक बात याद आई, कुछ दिन पहले वी हैड दिस थिंग ऑफ the balanced diet. There was this whole balanced diet here last about 2 years back, create big balanced diet. So parents started asking us soups and lot of things. So I told them we'll have a green day. So all the moms beautifully dressed up, green nail polish, green this, that, green kapde. So we took them up. Ek Amrita Vidyalayam hai. It's a beautiful organization. Very, very grounded. So they have a food, place where they sit down. So we took them all there. The food eating is on the floor. तो पहले तो बहुत जो टाइट कपड़े पहने आए थे नीचे बैठ नहीं पाए। एक्टिविटी वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। हमने एक एक फुल्का दिया और पालक की सब्जी दी और ये सर आप इतना लेक्चर करते हो ना टीचर्स को, आप ये खाना नहीं खिलाते, बच्चों को भेजते। ऐसे आज मेरी सारी टीचर स्टेज पर बैठ के आपको देखेंगी, आप ये एक फुल्का और पालक की सब्जी मुझे खिला के दिखाइए, फिर वी विल फॉलो यू टू द डॉट। ये जो 3-3 पराठे आप हमें भेजते हैं, यू नो टीचर्स गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दिस।
Yes.
Exactly how we behave with teachers, है ना? तो खूब सूजी का हलवा खाइए, खूब सुकून से रहिए, मजा करिए। Don't take life too seriously. आजकल मैं देखती हूँ इतना ज्यादा सीरियसली ले गए हैं हम अपने आप को। थोड़ा मुस्कुराइए। Everybody is going to lecture us. Everybody is going to tell us. Imagine बहुत साल पहले मैं I met Dr. अब्दुल कलाम, मेरे नेबर होते थे वो। After he finished his stint as the president, he was my neighbor in Delhi Kent. By chance, one day I saw him and I said, like, wow, I have to meet you. So now when I went to meet him, I showed him all my material and so you can take that liberty. So he smiled and told me, you know, Sonia, don't do so much for teachers that they stop thinking. Because thinking teachers will give this country thinking citizens. तो अगर हमारे टीचर्स हमारे को फोर्स नहीं करते, हम जैसे मैं पंजाब से हूँ या कोई हरियाणा से है या कहीं और से, तब लड़कियां घूंघट में होती थी, स्कूल नहीं आती थी, लेकिन एक जिद्दी टीचर जरूर होता था वहां पर, है ना, जो दरवाजा खटखटा के कहता था कि बिटिया को स्कूल भेजिए। तो कंटिन्यू दैट लिटिल स्टबर्ननेस। कोई कभी कभी मुझे कहता है व्हाट मेक्स यू सक्सेसफुल, ऐसे जी सक्सेसफुल का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन जिद है कि करना है तो फिर ऐसे करना है। तो कभी कभी टीचर्स को थोड़ा सा जिद्दी होना जरूरी होता है दूसरों पर, बिकॉज यू आर द थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ दिस कंट्री, ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। तो थोड़ा अपने एंड प्री प्राइमरी टीचर्स को तो बड़ा गुरूर होना चाहिए अपने ऊपर। यू नो आई ऑलवेज टेल एवरीबॉडी, जब चलते हुए जाओ तो कोई बोले कि देखो वो प्री प्राइमरी टीचर जा रही है, इतना गुरूर हो, क्योंकि अगर गलती मैंने कर दी तो अब जिंदगी भर नहीं सुधार सकते, है ना। So बड़े गुरूर से आई थिंक, and it's so beautiful that we are getting recognized, है ना। तो चलिए एक आपको एक अच्छी सी कहानी सुनाती हूँ मैं। मेरा तो ये मेरी चिड़िया है, ये सब हैंडमेड था हाँ पहले। ये छोटा सा बंदर हैंडमेड है, ये टाइगर, तो मैंने ये हैंडमेड निकाल दिया था ताकि मैं आपको दिखा दूं। ये सब या तो 10x10 होगा या 10x20 होगा, नथिंग मोर देन दैट, बिकॉज कागज होता नहीं था, अच्छे स्कूल में जॉब मिलती नहीं थी, पैसा नहीं होता था। तो ऐसे ही काम करती थी बस। ये हमारा ब्यूटीफुल मोर होता था। और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जिंदगी में कभी भी किसी शिल्पा और कविता को अपनी ड्राइंग मत करवाओ, क्योंकि उसकी ड्राइंग बेटर होती जा रही है, आपकी वही रुक गई।
Right.
जैसे आती है सीख लीजिए, इट डजंट मैटर, इट डजंट मैटर। और बहुत सारा ड्रामा मत करिए, आउटलाइंस बनाना, नथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, राइट। आई विल आल्सो शो यू सम ब्यूटीफुल रिसोर्सेज। मैं कभी कभी इतने सारे रिसोर्सेज होते हैं मेरे पास दैट आई टेंड टू ओके। तो चलिए आपको एक कहानी सुनाती हूँ मैं। एक क्योंकि मोर आपको अभी दिखाया, तो हिंदी हमारी हिंदी की किताबें हैं, इसको मेरी अक्षरों की दुनिया कहते हैं, और इसको मेरी रेलगाड़ी, तो ये प्रवेश में है। तो हम इसमें बहुत सारा विजुअलाइजेशन करते हैं। तो एक मैं आपसे इसी कुछ चीजें मुझे याद रहती है, कुछ आई फॉरगेट, सो आई जस्ट नीड अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट समटाइम्स। सो मैं इसको देखकर जरूर गा पाऊंगी। ओके रेडी। तो ये एक जंगल की कहानी है जिसमें मोर रहते हैं, है ना। तो इस जंगल में रहते थे कुछ मोर, ठुमक ठुमक के नाचते नाचते चारों ओर। बारिश का जब मौसम आया हर मोर अपना पंख फैलाया। फैला के खूब इतराया खूब इतराया खूब इतराया। आया खूब इतराया खूब इतराया। फिर गर्मी गई, बारिश का फिर मौसम आया, लेकिन बादल नहीं, बादल आए लेकिन बारिश नहीं आई। मोर ने सोचा क्या हो गया भाई, क्या हो गया ये भाई। फिर उसने वो जो एनिमल्स थे ना, फिर उसने बाघ को पूछा, जिराफ को पूछा, बंदर को पूछा क्या हो गया, बादल आए लेकिन बारिश नहीं आई। तो सबने कहा एक लकड़हारा आया था, खूब उसने कुल्हाड़ा चलाया था, पेड़ नहीं दिखे तो फिर बादल बारिश कैसे बरसाते। तो फिर वहां पे चिड़िया उड़ती आई, उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं हम दूर से बीज लेकर आएंगे और चलिए फिर फल, फिर सुंदर से हम अब ये जंगल उगाएंगे, है ना। तो अब देखो बादल आए, चम 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 बारिश आई, चम 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 बारिश आई। मोर ने अपने पंख फैलाए पंख फैलाए पंख फैलाए, लाए खूब बिखलाए खूब बिखलाए। तो कौन कौन आया था? एक मोर था,
एक बाघ था,
टीम बोर्ड बिल्डिंग करेंगे अभी हम, है ना। एक मोर था और एक क्या था, एक बाघ था,
जिराफ था,
करेक्ट, एक जिराफ।
बंदर
अमृता
बंदर था।
ओल्ड है ये जिराफ, लेट इट बी। माय डील इज कि मैं कोई कागज कोई पैकेट जब तक मर नहीं जाता फेंकती नहीं हूँ, है ना। तो ये बर्ड्स आ गए, है ना, यहाँ पे एक तोता आ गया, तो आपके, और ये शेर आ गया और ये बंदर आ गया।
बंदर
रेडी हो गए? इज योर थीम बोर्ड रेडी और नॉट?
lovely, this is so nice.
है ना। सो आपका थीम बोर्ड इज ब्यूटीफुल एंड रेडी, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू क्रिएट योर रिसोर्सेज। अगर आपको बहुत इसको ब्यूटीफुल बनाना है तो वही 10 बाय 10 के फ्लावर्स हैं, मेरे किसी और कहानी के हैं। दिस इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट द बीज एंड द फ्लावर्स, बट कोई रोकता थोड़ी ना है, मैं किसी की भी चीज को किसी
So true.
I like that. Oh,
एवरीबॉडी फूल को थोड़ी ना मालूम है कि वो बी के स्टोरी का है,
Right.
यूज कर लीजिए, व्हाट स्टॉप्स यू, राइट। सो आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ resources can be done and created so beautifully and easily. एक resource के साथ we'll then wind up because I think you're almost through with your time.
Yes, yes.
चल एक resource और करेंगे आप next, मतलब
no,
Hello,
twice the resource. Now we are very curious.
One last one.
One last one.
last one, okay, all right, एक कर देती हूँ मैं आपके, just to create I would like to do one for the reading wall because it's important for children to read, so I'll just very quickly do one.
Sonia, somebody is also asking if you can explain the head counting, how to introduce tens and ones. Is it possible?
Okay, just give me a
Anupama
moment.
would like to know.
Yeah. Let me just get this. Let me just see.
Sure.
I have to.
If you have, if not, next time, no worries.
Yeah. So we do it very simply with, I told you everything is 10 by 10 and 10 by 20. Even the resources that we've created for my learning train are built like that. So sometimes when OUP asks me, we can do it better, we can, I tell them, no, I want my 10 by 10 and 10 by 20. Okay? So your tens and ones is very simple. You always start with a lot of tens. Suppose this is, maybe I'll take a smaller number. So this is 10, and suppose you're doing a number. So always start with the value. Right? So the children must look at the value, and when they flip it over, the place goes. It's as simple as that. वो 10 by 10 or 10 by 20 का कागज है. There's no difference at all. It is just on how you use it, and when you tell them this, never say, when in the place of 0 doesn't make a number big and small, because in the place of the ones, there is a zero here. So never call a 10 that, normally we say na zero makes a number big or small. No, that zero very well tells you that in this place we do not have a number at all.
Right now.
Remember one maths teacher actually just ripping me to shreds and telling me, क्या तुम लोग zero के बारे में बोलते रहते हो? Don't do that. Talk about take and then the bundles. You remember I did those bundles of sticks. So bundling is the first activity you must do. The second activity could be the beads, and the third activity is the cards. Don't start with the cards straight away. Always start with bundles, and then bundles is a very logical way for the child's mind, more than even the threading of beads. All right. So just before I wind up, well, let me not do this. Let me do a nice activity.
Something nice. Come on. Finale item.
The finale item.
Yes.
So I think I'll do this because we are talking about indigenous resources and we're talking about folk tools and we're
Yes.
So Meri Rail Gadi has a whole lot of folk tools. So this is a lathi and a ghungroo. So agar aap isko, this is my wedding sari ka brocade. Okay, so don't worry about what you use. तो इसको ये 3 फुट की लाठी है, ठीक है? ठीक है? आपका
Ghungaroos on it. You have tied ghungaroos around it.
So on the carpet, on the floor. Rhythm बोलते हैं ना, rhythms and beats in India जैसा कहीं नहीं मिलेगा आपको.
Yes.
तो सुनो भाई, सुनो एक कहानी, लाठी घुंघरू की जुबानी, लाठी घुंघरू की जुबानी. झज्जापुर चलते हैं, वहां पे झाड़ू रहती थी. एक दिन झिलमिल ने झाड़ू को लगाया, जोर से पटका, जोर से पटका, जोर से पटका. झाड़ू को लगा बहुत ही झटका, बहुत ही झटका, बहुत ही झटका. उसने सोचा मैं झिलमिल के कितने काम आती हूँ, कैसा स्थान पाती हूँ मैं, कैसा स्थान पाती हूँ, चलो मैं झरोके के पीछे छिप जाती हूँ. तो झाड़ू छिपी झरोके के पीछे, झाड़ू छिपी झरोके के पीछे. दादा दादी, नाना नानी, चाचा चाची, मामा मामी, बुआ फूफा, चुन्नू मुन्नू सभी वहां आए. सबने ढूंढा ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं, ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं, ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं. झाड़ू किसी को नजर नहीं आई. वहां पे झिलमिल आई, कहा झाड़ू तुम नीचे आओ. झाड़ू ने कहा झिलमिल तुम मेरे बजाय सफाई करके दिखलाओ. दादाजी को बात समझ में आई. उन्होंने अपना संदूक निकाला, झाड़ू को प्यार से बुलाया, कहा नीचे आ जाओ झाड़ू, और सबको समझाया जब झाड़ू कर ले अपना काम तो यही संदूक पे कर ले आराम. अब झाड़ू को बड़ा मजा आया. उसने अपना स्थान पाया और ठुमक ठुमक के नाच के
So sweet.
दिखाती हो गई झाड़ू. अब ये तो हमारा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है ना? इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट में पुराने दुपट्टे बांध दीजिए आप. खोल दीजिए इसको, फैला दीजिए इसको. सामने रखो तो पर्दा, पीछे रखो तो बैकड्रॉप. आपका रंगमंच बन गया ना पपेट थिएटर.
Wow. Super.
Very nice.
Super.
तो आपको बहुत कॉस्ट्यूम की जरूरत नहीं है, सादगी की जरूरत है. बहुत दिल पर हाथ रखिए और जो रिसोर्सेज है उसको यूज कर लीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
Excellent. Thank you. We should thank you,
Excellent.
Sonia,
It was so nice. And
for sharing such
who
knowledge
could
with
ever
us.
believe, Bela, could you ever believe that you could have just do so much
Awesome.
with so little, and with those just 10 by 10 and 10 by 20 cards?
Really.
Super.
Thank you so much, Sonia, for coming here today. And we have requests that we want you again, Sonia. On the chat, I can read. We want to hear Sonia again. We
We
will
need
definitely
more
be inviting you.
sessions.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very-
I did not read the chat at all today.
No. People are full of praises for you, Sonia.
And
You know.
everybody has loved it. And so have we. We have not
Yes,
been
I've enjoyed myself.
And I have danced to all your songs over here because it just
So we have
comes so automatically.
everything put to set to Indian music.
Right.
Everything. Even my beats in English will have a sitar or they'll have a flute. Because I even when my recording happens, I tell them that no, I have to have Indian instruments because children have to listen to it from childhood. है ना? मैं क्यों मुझे कहता है कि ये काइनोलैंड कहाँ का है? ऐसे जी इंडिया का है. ये गलियों से बना है. And while I learn from everybody, I still feel that we can create our own magic.
Right.
Mom used to tell me, be your own genie, under genie hota hai. That's what she used to tell me.
True.
So, thank you
Sonia,
so
you would
much.
like to, yeah, thank you for coming, Sonia. Would you like to inform the audience how they can connect with you in future?
I have a YouTube channel called Sonia Relia. So if you
Okay.
just, and if you leave a message there, or soniarelia36@gmail.com. That's my email.
Facebook also page you have, Sonia?
Facebook, I don't have a page, but and then I like take long, very long to accept friend requests sometimes. Don't
So
feel that
YouTube is the best way to see what Sonia is
So
doing.
anybody who wants to send Sonia a message, come on the ABCD page and write a message to her, and we'll make sure that she gets it.
So I have a YouTube channel which I started, Bola, which a lot of people can access easily.
Very nice.
I'm on LinkedIn also, so just by my name, I think that's where you can find me. And like you say, कि दिल से याद करें आप तो I will.
Right, right. Thank you, Sonia, so much for being here today.
Bye.
So
Thank you.
I,
Thank you so much.
It was.
I would like to introduce the next Wednesday, we'll be having another speaker. Her name is Judy Julian. She is the founder of Cosmic Kids Enrichment Center from USA. She's also the CEO of Wow Learning Lab. And since she's coming from US to for a show, the timing is slightly changed this time. Please note the timing is 6:30 and not 4 o'clock. Next Wednesday, stay tuned for more information on the ABCD Facebook page. Thank you so much, everybody.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye, Sonia.
Bye,
Take
Sonia.
care.
See you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.